Oh my goodness. So I got this quilted and the binding on last night, June 2nd, after starting this on, July 2nd, after starting this on June 28th. I did the binding by hand, which is something I never do. And I don't know, because this quilt is special to me, I guess I didn't bleed all over it, which is a good thing. I don't think I poked myself once while I was putting that binding on. It took me a long time. I didn't think it was going to. My eyes were already strained when I started, but I got it completed. It's got a lot of stars and hearts on it, and in there it says America, in land that I love, America's 250th, Fly Navy, and United States of America. There might be some more in there. I don't know. I can't remember. Lots of stars and hearts, and there are some squiggles in there, but wow. My quilting will actually get better as I go. This is like, I don't know, the third or fourth, I think, that I've actually quilted on my long arm or my coronet. Um, and I'm learning. I'm proud of it though. And when uh, my husband comes back in, I'm going to get him to hang this in our entryway. There is another quilt currently in there that I had made a mystery quilt, and it's just the top. I will be so proud to get an actual completed quilt hanging up there. So let me know, how do you like my 250th? Um, I'm proud of it. So happy birthday, America. Y'all behave this 4th of July. I want to see you on the 5th. Don't get blown up in the fireworks. We'll talk to you later. Bye.